Welcome to part 4 of our 6-part Essential Oils 101 series. Ready to get creative? Essential oils aren't just for diffusing, they're perfect for DIY recipes that make everyday life even better. From calm bath blends to eco-friendly cleaning sprays, we'll share step-by-step guides to help you get started. Let's begin with a simple lavender bath salt recipe. Mix lavender oil with Epsom salt for a soothing soak. Next up, a lemon-scented cleaning spray that's natural and effective. Just mix lemon oil with white vinegar and water. Let's kick things off with a relaxing lavender bath salt recipe. Perfect for unwinding after a long day or creating a mini spa experience at home. To make this, you'll need 1 cup of Epsom salt, half a cup of baking soda, and 10 drops of lavender essential oil. Start by mixing the Epsom salt and baking soda in a bowl, then add the lavender oil, stirring well to ensure it's evenly distributed. For an extra touch, you can add dried lavender buds for a luxurious feel. Store your mixture in a glass jar, and when ready to use, simply add a generous scoop to warm bathwater. Relax, breathe deeply, and let the calming aroma of lavender work its magic on your body and mind. Now, let's shift gears to a practical and eco-friendly lemon-scented cleaning spray. Your new best friend for freshening up your home. To make this all-natural cleaner, combine 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, and 20 drops of lemon essential oil in a spray bottle. Shake the bottle to mix everything thoroughly. The acidity of the vinegar helps tackle grime and grease, while the lemon oil not only provides a crisp, uplifting scent, but also offers antibacterial properties. Use it to clean countertops, sinks, or even bathroom surfaces. Just remember to give it a quick shake before each use to keep the ingredients evenly mixed. These 2 recipes showcase how versatile essential oils can be. Not just for relaxation, but for adding a natural, refreshing touch to your home. Try them out and let us know how they work for you in the comments. And don't forget to stay tuned for more DIY ideas in our series. These recipes are just the start. Explore the other videos in our series to learn even more about essential oils. Try them out and let us know your favorites in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more DIY ideas.